In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Ghost of Tsushima on PC online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access the cooperative multiplayer mode that offers a unique experience on Ghost of Tsushima. For you to play Ghost of Tsushima Legends, you just have to make sure that you have the latest version of the game. So you will be able to update Ghost of Tsushima, and as long as you have the latest version of the game and you progress the story enough, you will be able to enter Legends mode. So usually after this is done, you update the game. From the main menu, you will be able to select Enter Legends mode. As you can see here, this will bring you into Ghost of Tsushima Legends. If you are in-game, you can also look for Gyoz in the Storyteller in various towns and locations. This is one example. Talking to him directly on the open world will also give you the option to enter Legends mode, so choose whichever option you prefer, either from the main menu or from in-game. When you enter Legends for the first time, you will be guided through learning all of the classes. So Legends offers 4 playable classes: Samurai, Hunter, Ronin, and Assassin. Each class has unique abilities and playstyles, and you will be assigned gear to each of these. You will be able to upgrade your gear, but most importantly, upgrade your abilities. So make sure that you go through the tutorial because you will choose one of these classes to start, and you will be given starter gear. Once this is done, you are good to go. You will be able to select Play Now and choose between all of the main game modes. So you can go over to Quick Play if you just want to be connected and start playing right away, or you can browse through specific modes. So you have Story for 2 players, Survival for 4 players, Rivals for 4 players, and finally you have Challenge mode. So choose whichever one you prefer, and you will be able to play Ghost of Tsushima on PC online. You can invite your friends and play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Ghost of Tsushima on PC online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.